welcome back to my channel. I have another announcement which you guys can tell by the title, or if you're not seeing the title, I'm going to tell you anyways. I am now a homeowner. I bought a house, well, an apartment, not a house, but I bought a home with Ryan. It's so exciting, I can't wait to share you with all the details. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so basically as you can tell by how excited I am, I'm filming another announcement on my channel, which is so exciting. I really want to film everything because I want to be able to look back and see these kind of videos and be like, hey, on this day I bought a home, hey, on this day we got engaged. It is so nice to look back on and see these kind of things. Now, obviously I'm doing this video mainly for myself and the people around me who want to kind of reminisce and remember when obviously we did these things, but obviously for you guys follow me and you guys love watching me, and obviously as I told you guys, we're going to have different content on here as well, so it's not just going to be beauty. I kind of want to do more chit chats because I know I love watching these kind of videos, so I'm hoping that there are people out there who love watching these kind of videos and you get to know me as well in the long run whilst watching these kind of videos. So basically, me and Ryan have actually bought our own place. It's real. I'm not joking, it's so surreal. Basically, Ryan was about to kill me or run me over because I did not stop swiping up on my phone looking for the best property home that we could eventually move in. It was ridiculous. I did not stop. I come back from work, scrolling up. I'd be during work, I'd be scrolling up. Texting him all these different places that we could go and live to. We were not agreeing on a lot of things, which was quite anxious because we were both like, why are we fighting over these things when it's not even our place, we were just seeing things on a picture. There was a lot of things that I have to say wasn't the greatest, and a lot of my friends said be prepared because there's going to be a lot of arguments, and yes, there was arguments. Yeah. Let's just not talk about the amount of arguments we've had considering coming up to the place where we've bought the place. We did do visits we did visit a really nice place who had a really large roof. It was like in the center of Malta as well, and it was beautiful. I have to admit, the only thing I did not like about it because the property was finished and furnished, and obviously it was not my style, my favorite kind of furniture, so I didn't really feel comfortable spending all that money, and then the property and the items inside the house was not what I wanted. So I think that was the only thing which I was not happy with. I was kind of glad that it got sold before we could put up an offer because it was still not my dream home. So then eventually we came up to obviously this property that we've actually bought, which is so exciting. Obviously we bought it on plan, which means that obviously we just bought what the architect or whoever did the plan of the property. It's basically a block of not more than 5 homes for people, so it's literally a small little place, and it's very central, which is what I was looking for. I was hoping for it to be central. I did not want to go down to the south or the north or wherever. I really want to stay central, especially since my mum and Ryan's mum don't drive. I'm very close to my parents and he's very close with his parents and family, so we kind of aim to be close to both, and this place was jam bang perfect. It's literally 10 minutes from where he lives. It's about by walk 20 minutes from where I live, but again 5 minutes from where it's literally everything is 5-minute drive to and from. So it's 5-minute drive to Ryan's house, 5-minute drive to my house, and walking distance I would say probably about the same. So it's perfect. I think it's probably closer to Ryan's house if you had to walk it, because there are back streets and you don't have to cross main roads to go to Ryan's from where we bought the place, whereas I live obviously by the university, so it's quite, you have to kind of cross main streets, so, and lots of like lights and everything, so you have more walking distance, I guess, because there isn't really like you can't just go straight, you have to go down hills and go up hills to go to where I live. So again, there is a bit more walking distance when it comes to me, but obviously to drive it's very easy. And the best thing out of it all is there's 2 supermarkets close by. It's amazing. literally amazing. I was so amazed. I was like, oh wow, this is perfect. There's a supermarket on the left and a supermarket on the right, just across the road, and I was like, this is amazing. And even the plan itself, guys. Oh, we're gonna have a really nice beauty room and filming room. Like, that was the one thing I told Ryan. I'm like, I estimate I wanted a 3-bedroom, but with the study it's a 4-bedroom, guys, and I can really see that lovely YouTube filming beauty room looking amazing, and it's massive. So that's something I did agree with Ryan. I'm like, please, I want my own area where I can do my videos, I want to do my beauty stuff. And he was like, okay, like, you know, it's okay with you, you know. And the way it is that we've got 2 other bedrooms and our main bedroom as well, so it really worked out perfect. We have like our sleeping quarters at the back, and then we have all like the kitchen, the living room, dining. We have a really nice barbecue area outside as well. We have a really large like patio, balcony, whatever you want to call it. It's like having a penthouse, but not really a penthouse. It's amazing, because we obviously saw how the dimension and everything is going to be amazing. Now obviously what I will definitely say, yes, there's going to be loads of videos on home decor, home stuff, but that's obviously not going to be until next year. What I will definitely try and do is I want to take snapshots of the before, after, current building situations that I can actually kind of put together in one video eventually when it's done. I did speak to Ryan about this, and what we've agreed on is I'm hopefully going to try and get some footage before the house gets brought down, and then when it starts building, gets demolished, I want to make sure I go and take some photos, take a video snapshot or something that I can keep and then put together in a montage, and obviously show you the filming the stuff of it. So oops, sorry about that, I think I just knocked the tripod. This is when I get excited. So basically this is a 7-minute, 8-minute, whatever minute this is going to be, talking about how excited I am to have my own place. Now the best thing about this is I can decorate it the way I want, how I want, whatever colour I want, and Pinterest has been my best friend, literally. So again, talking about Pinterest, obviously me and Ryan have a different type of furniture, what we like and what we don't like. Like, I like bright light colours because I like lighting, I like to have great lighting, I don't want to be like dark and dull, where Ryan on the other side likes dark colours and likes a dark kitchen, and I'm like, no, I don't want it dark. The only thing I think we agreed on is that I want a marble top in the kitchen. I think that's the only thing we actually agreed on, but then again, I don't know if I really want it marble. You know, until you've seen like the plan of how you want your kitchen, you will change the way you see and the way you want it. Now the only thing that I agree on with Ryan is the kitchen is up to me. I get to choose the kitchen. I'm the one that cooks, I'm the one that does everything in the kitchen, well, mainly everything in the kitchen. Ryan does do the dishes and washes up, which is great when you force him to, or you have to wait about 20 minutes after eating before he washes up the dishes. I like to kind of wash the dishes exactly as I finish my food, just so I can like sit down and relax. But Ryan, on the other hand, eats, puts everything in the kitchen, takes about 20 minutes before he does the washing up, and then goes to wash up, and I'm like, everything's getting stuck onto the plates. So no, I just literally get up and do it myself eventually, but sometimes he does try and help out, which is nice. I did have an incident with Indian where I slipped, dropped the plate, everything fell down, and poor Toby, his cat's dishes were filled with mashed potatoes and Indian and rice. It was amazing. It looked like vomit. It was disgusting. But yeah, he did clean up and wash up after me because I got so upset that I just made this amazing Indian meal, cooked meal. He had his and mine was all on the floor because it slipped. So yeah, I can't wait to share with you more home stuff. For now, this is just an announcement video, just to tell you that I've done the promise of sale. We've agreed, we've paid a deposit. It's so exciting for me, I guess, because I literally can't wait to have my own home. I can't wait to officially have my own place. Again, obviously that's gonna be next year, and then the following year is my wedding, which again is so exciting. I think I've been very relaxed and laid back when it comes to the wedding. There were supposed to be a lot of things I'm supposed to have booked by now, and the only things I've done are literally the venue. I've done my makeup artist, and I've done the church. I tried to book someone with video, but they already booked. So I don't know what I need to. I still need to do the photography and the video, which I haven't yet done. And we agreed that he'll kind of be more on the house stuff, where I'll be more on the wedding part. But some things are not that easy to do and to like just book. So for now, this is just an announcement for me to remember that I've bought a house and I bought a home with Ryan, and it's something I want to kind of look back on. So this is just a chit chat video of just me talking. I hope you like these kind of chit chat videos. If you do want to see more of these, do let me know in the comments below, because I talk quite a lot, and it's something for you guys to get to know me as well, I guess. But obviously, apart from that, so there's basically the wedding. There's my sister's wedding next year, so that's something to look forward to. My sister's house is currently being built. I think it's nearly there. I think they built all the levels. I think they just have to finish it off, I guess. So there's a lot going on in the next 5 years. So basically there's that. So our house will be done next year. We're going to get married the following year. I still need to film my bridal proposal videos, which I have yet to prepare. I've got everything in a bag right next to me over here, which I need to fill right out and show you guys. Obviously, I will upload it onto my channel after I've given them to my bridesmaids and maid of honor. They already know who they are because I don't know how to wait, and you know, how can you not tell them if they've been your best friends for ages and years and years and years? So basically, that's something I need to film as well. There's so many other videos that I need to film, so you're going to have a lot of content on my on my channel. So yeah. Apart from that, if you like beauty, I've actually created a beauty Facebook group, so I would leave a link down below, which is called Beauty Tea Time. If you guys are interested in following and joining, I will leave a link down below. It's a new beauty group. I already have my own VIP Stefy Talks VIP group, which basically I just kind of write and post everything that I've put on my page and Instagram, just to keep people following and stuff like that, which is going to be obviously of everything, fashion, luxury and everything. But I've also created a beauty group, which is called Beauty Tea Time, which is basically mainly just beauty. So beauty, fragrances, skincare, anything beauty related will be in that group. And we've got a lot of members already, and the giveaway going currently. So if you guys are interested, kind of click the link below and you can go and join if you want to. So that's everything from me. I hope you are excited as I am to join, to follow me on this journey and to the house. So I literally can't wait to see it just coming together. Thumbs up if you're interested and you're excited to see so many home decor eventually. There's a lot of things that I would have wanted to get from my UK house. Like I had some really nice black and white paintings I would have loved and I could have imagined in this home, but I'm sure I will find some new ones. So get ready for a lot of new home decors next year. It's all for next year, something that we can plan for next year together. So thumbs up if you enjoyed this little chit chat video. It's not little really, it's a long chit chat video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post every week on a Wednesday. Sometimes we have bonus videos, so when you have bonus videos you're going to find them in your subscription box. Click the notification bell if you haven't already to be notified when I post, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very shortly. Bye guys.